Think for just 1 second, right now, at this exact moment, somewhere in the darkest corner of space, a star is exploding. An explosion so massive, so violent that our entire Earth could be incinerated thousands of times over within it. And the light from that explosion? It's traveling right now, moving through the void, heading in your direction, but it won't reach you for another 2 million years. Which means everything you see when you look up at the night sky, every single star, every glowing point of light is not real. It's the past, a delayed snapshot, a cosmic photograph that was taken millions, sometimes billions of years ago. The star you're looking at tonight might not even exist anymore. It could have died long before the dinosaurs walked this earth, and you'd have no way of knowing. Your entire night sky is a lie, a beautiful, breathtaking lie. And if that just sent a chill down your spine, good, because we haven't even started yet. Humans have always said space is big, but big is a useless word here. The observable universe, just the part we can actually see, is 93 billion light-years wide. 1 light-year is the distance light travels in an entire year, moving at 300,000 kilometers every single second. Multiply that by a full year, then multiply that number by 93 billion. Your calculator won't handle it. Your brain won't either. But here's the part that truly breaks the mind. That 93 billion light-years, that's only what we can see. Beyond that edge, beyond the reach of our most powerful telescopes, scientists believe the real universe could be at least 250 times larger. Some models suggest it might be infinite. No wall, no boundary, no end. Just space, stretching outward forever, in every direction, without limit. And this universe, this incomprehensibly vast universe, is getting bigger every second. Every galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy. The further away a galaxy is, the faster it's running. Some galaxies are so distant, they're receding from us faster than the speed of light, not because they're moving through space that fast, but because space itself is stretching between us. And this means there will come a day, not tomorrow, not in 1,000 years, but eventually when those galaxies will vanish from our observable universe forever. Their light will never reach us again. They will simply disappear from existence as far as we're concerned. The universe is slowly, quietly leaving us behind. But space isn't just emptiness and distance. Inside it exist things that break every rule physics ever wrote. Black holes. Regions where gravity becomes so extreme, so absolute that nothing escapes. Not matter, not energy, not even light. Everything that crosses the event horizon is gone forever. But the most terrifying thing about black holes isn't what they destroy, it's what they do to time. Einstein predicted it over 100 years ago, and modern science has confirmed it. Near a black hole, time slows down. Not as a metaphor, not as a feeling, literally, physically. If you were to travel close enough to a black hole and spend what felt like 1 hour there, thousands of years could pass on Earth. Time is not a straight line. It is a fabric, a flexible, bendable dimension called spacetime, and massive objects warp it the way a heavy ball warps a stretched rubber sheet. And here's the twist that will make you look at your phone differently forever. The GPS in your pocket, the satellites that give you turn-by-turn directions, they have to be corrected for Einstein's theory of relativity every single day, because those satellites orbit high above Earth, where gravity is weaker. Up there, time runs slightly faster than it does on the surface. If scientists didn't account for that difference, your GPS would be off by up to 10 kilometers every single day. Einstein's theory isn't locked inside a textbook. It is running silently in the background of your daily life right now, keeping you from getting lost. Now, let's go to the loneliest place in the known universe. It's called the Boötes Void, a region of space approximately 330 million light-years across, and inside it, almost nothing exists. Where there should be thousands of galaxies based on everything we understand about how the universe forms, there are only about 60.
Scientists have no satisfying explanation for why this void exists. Our best models of the universe cannot account for something this empty, this enormous, this silent. And then, some scientists proposed something that kept astronomers up at night. What if the Boötes Void is empty because something made it that way? What if a civilization so ancient, so advanced, so far beyond our comprehension, harvested the energy of entire galaxies over billions of years, leaving behind nothing but darkness? This theory has not been proven, but it hasn't been ruled out either. And if it's true, that civilization is so far ahead of us on the cosmic timeline that we would appear to them the way ants appear to us, barely worth noticing. There are other things in space that make the universe feel hostile in ways we rarely talk about. A magnetar, a type of neutron star, has a magnetic field so impossibly powerful that if one of them to release a large flare from 1,000 light years away, it could wipe every hard drive, every credit card, every electronic device on Earth in a single second. No physical contact, no collision, just a wave of magnetic force traveling across the void, erasing everything we've ever built and stored digitally. Then there is WR102, a star burning so intensely, so recklessly, that scientists believe it will explode in a hypernova within the next few thousand years. A hypernova is not a supernova. It is 100 times more powerful. If something like that detonated inside our galaxy aimed in the wrong direction, the odds of survival on Earth drop to nearly zero. Space is not indifferent. It is actively, constantly dangerous. We are alive right now, partly because of extraordinary cosmic luck. And now, the twist that changes everything. You have always thought of space as something out there, something above, something distant and separate from the world you live in. But space begins just 100 kilometers above your head. That's it, 100 kilometers. You could drive that distance in under an hour on a straight road. Technically, right now, standing wherever you are already inside the universe, not approaching it, not looking at it from outside. You are in it. You have always been in it, and it goes deeper than that. Every single atom in your body was forged inside a dying star. Billions of years ago, stars collapsed and exploded and scattered their elements across the galaxy: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iron, and those atoms eventually found their way into clouds of gas, into planets, into oceans, into life, into you. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you're breathing right now, all of it was made in the heart of a star that no longer exists. You are not a person looking at the universe. You are the universe looking at itself. Carl Sagan said it best: "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself." You are not separate from space. You are made of it. You are a temporary arrangement of stardust that somehow became conscious enough to ask the greatest question ever asked. And that question is this: if the universe is infinite, if time bends, if every atom in your body was born inside a star, if civilizations may exist so advanced they've emptied entire regions of galaxies, then are we truly alone? In 93 billion light-years of observable universe, in what may be an infinite cosmos beyond that, is it really possible that only here, only on this tiny pale blue dot, did something look up at the sky and wonder? Or is there something out there right now, on a planet we've never seen, orbiting a star we don't know exists, staring into their own night sky, asking the exact same question about us? That answer belongs to you. Drop it in the comments. Do you think we are alone in this universe or not? And if this video made your mind race, if it made you see the sky a little differently tonight, hit like, share it with someone who needs their perspective shifted, and follow for more, because the universe still has secrets we haven't touched, and the next one might be the most shocking of all.